guys, what's up? PJ's Oracle Plays here. Today we're going to be trying something new. We're going to be calling it truck surfing. 1, don't try this at home. And 2, stay tuned to the end to see something great. This is going to be epic. Oh. Okay, so we've tried it once with the pad. Now we're going to try it without the pad and see how it goes. Okay, here we go. Ow! Okay, we're doing good. I don't think I got that one. Time to try again. Alright, so we've done everything. We've gotten rid of this. We have the shoes. Now we're going to try it without the shoes. I don't think this is going to go and work out very well. And there goes the shoe. Okay. Oh, this isn't working already. Nope, I didn't hit the ground completely. Oh no.
Come up here.
I can't. Don't try that. That hurts. Okay. That was crazy. I don't know if I'll ever do it again, but it was really fun. Thank you for watching the entire video. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.